So we are on our way to the land of the gods, Uttarakhand. Our destination is Har Ki Doon. So right now we are, on the train, as you can see, and we are about to enter, reach Asansol, and then from there tomorrow 4 p.m. In the afternoon we should reach Hardwar, and then we will start our journey towards Har Ki Doon. This time we have a group of 6. So we have Sumit, we have Shorab, you already know me, and then we have Ifnu, Punab, and then you have Pintu. You see him in almost every vlog. So we'll see you on the way.
Hello friends, welcome to the first episode of Har Ki Doon Trek. In this episode, we are going to travel by train from Kolkata to Haridwar. We boarded the Howrah-Dehradun special on a rainy September afternoon and started our journey towards Haridwar. This is by far the fastest train on this route and is definitely the best way to get to Haridwar from Kolkata. This train also has a pantry car that provides freshly cooked, delicious meals for lunch and dinner, as well as some tasty evening snacks. The train left Howrah at around 1 pm and passed through the beautiful rural landscape of West Bengal and Jharkhand. We enjoyed the spectacular scenery until it got dark. The next morning, we were treated to a spectacular sunrise.
So we are about 2.5 hours away from Haridwar. The train is running about 30 minutes late. So we should reach Haridwar by 4:30 p.m. And I just take this time to tell you a little bit about our plan. So our plan is we'll reach Haridwar tonight. We'll stay there. We'll also meet our guide tonight. And then tomorrow we are going to take a rented car to Sankri. And we'll stay at Sankri. And then the day after we'll start hiking from Sankri. So the first stop will be at Osla, and then from Osla the next day we'll go to Har Ki Doon. We'll stay one night in Har Ki Doon, then come back to Osla, and then we'll hike back to Sankri, and then on the last day of the trip we'll take a rented car back to Haridwar and board the train. So it's a tight plan and we don't have any extra days. So if we get delayed by landslides or something like that on our last day, we might be in trouble, but hopefully that won't happen. So how do you think, Saurabh? Will there be any problems?
No.
We hope that there won't be any problems, right? That's all we can do. So I'll see you, I'll speak to you again from Haridwar.
In the last few kilometers, the train picked up considerable speed and made up for the delay. As a result, we reached Haridwar before the scheduled arrival time of 4 pm. At the time of our visit, it was mandatory to carry the final vaccination certificate or a negative RT-PCR report conducted no more than 72 hours prior to arrival in Uttarakhand. We had to show both these documents while leaving the Haridwar railway station. Just before arriving at our destination, we were welcomed by the blue mountains of the Greater Himalayan range on the horizon.
So we have reached Haridwar. So we reached actually a little bit earlier than expected. We reached by around 3:45, and then we checked into a hotel close to the railway station, and now we are on our way to the Har Ki Pauri Ghat to watch Ganga Aarti. So this is the Haridwar market that we are walking through. You can probably buy almost anything here. So we will see you at the ghat. Now we have arrived at the Har Ki Pauri Ghat. So here there will be Ganga Aarati will be held a little bit later, maybe 30 minutes later. So we are here to witness that. You can see the water is actually quite muddy because of the rains. It is raining up in the mountains, so the water is quite muddy. So we are waiting to go in for the Ganga Aarti. Our plan is to stand actually, so that we can record the Aarti properly. So that's why we are standing aside a little bit, so that people who are coming to sit for the Aarti, they don't get disturbed. So once the Aarati starts, we just go and stand behind everyone, and then film the Aarati properly.
While waiting for the Ganga Aarti, we decided to explore the beautiful Har Ki Pauri Ghat. This ancient ghat is easily the most famous landmark of Haridwar. It is considered to be the exact place where the holy river Ganga descends from the mountains and meets the plains. It also serves as the site for the Purna Kumbh Mela, which happens every 12 years, as well as the Ardh Kumbh Mela, which happens every 6 years. The Ghat is also home to a number of temples dedicated to various gods and goddesses. An area within the Har Ki Pauri called Brahmakund is considered to be particularly sacred. This is where the evening Ganga Aarti takes place. According to legends, the ghat was first constructed by King Vikramaditya in the 1st century BC, which, if true, would make it over 2000 years old. It has since undergone major extension and restoration to accommodate the ever-growing number of pilgrims. After spending about an hour exploring this beautiful place, it was time for the Ganga Aarti. That's all I have for this episode, friends. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of future videos. I will see you next time on the way to Sakri. Until then, goodbye.